Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Mediterranean with 5 easy and delicious recipes you can whip up at home. Not only are these dishes bursting with flavor, but they're also packed with health benefits. We're talking fresh vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, the kind of food that makes you feel good inside and out. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling energized and satisfied. First up, we have a classic Greek salad. It's fresh, easy, and full of vibrant flavors. Now, a Greek salad is all about the quality of your ingredients. We're talking ripe, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and olives that are bursting with flavor. Start by chopping your tomatoes and cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. Don't you dare give me those massive chunks that barely fit in your mouth. And for God's sake, use a sharp knife. We're not trying to bruise the vegetables. Next, add in your olives and some thinly sliced red onion. A little bit of red onion adds a nice sharpness that cuts through the richness of the other ingredients. But go easy, we don't want to overpower the salad. Now for the feta. This is where the magic happens. Crumble in a generous amount of feta cheese. And don't be shy with it. The feta adds a salty, tangy flavor that's just irresistible. Finally, drizzle generously with olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And for the love of all that is holy, use fresh cracked pepper. None of that pre-ground rubbish. Give it a good toss to combine all the flavors. And there you have it. A classic Greek salad that's bursting with freshness and flavor. Serve it as a light lunch, a refreshing side dish, or as part of a larger Mediterranean feast. And listen, if you want to add a little protein to your salad, grilled chicken or shrimp are fantastic options. Next, we have hummus, a creamy, savory dip that's great with veggies or pita bread. This is one of those recipes that's so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't been making it at home all along. Now, the key to a good hummus is using cooked chickpeas. You can either boil them yourself or use canned chickpeas. Just make sure you drain and rinse them well. Add the chickpeas to a food processor along with some tahini, lemon juice, garlic and olive oil. And don't be shy with the garlic. A good hummus needs a good kick. Blitz it all up until it's smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a little bit of water, a tablespoon at a time, until you reach the desired consistency. Now for the flavor. Season it generously with salt and pepper. And here's where you can get creative. Add in some smoked paprika, cumin, or even a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little heat. Once you've seasoned it to your liking, give it one final blitz to make sure everything is well combined. Serve it with warm pita bread, fresh veggies, or as a spread on sandwiches and wraps. The possibilities are endless. And trust me, once you start making your own hummus, you'll never go back to the store-bought stuff. Now, let's make tzatziki, a refreshing yogurt and cucumber sauce. This is another Mediterranean staple that's incredibly easy to make at home. Start by grating a cucumber. Now, you can peel the cucumber if you like, but I prefer to leave the skin on for a little extra texture. Once the cucumber is grated, wrap it in a clean tea towel and squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This is important because we don't want our tzatziki to be watery. Add the drained cucumber to a bowl with some Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is thicker and tangier than regular yogurt, which makes it perfect for tzatziki. Next, add in some minced garlic, chopped fresh dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Dill is the classic herb used in tzatziki, but you can also use mint or parsley if you prefer. Give everything a good stir to combine. Season it generously with salt and pepper to taste. Serve it as a dip with pita bread, veggies, or grilled meats. It's also fantastic as a sauce for gyros or falafel. This tzatziki is so cool and refreshing. It's the perfect antidote to a hot summer day. And it's so easy to make, you'll be whipping it up all summer long. Up next is a caprese salad, simple yet so flavorful. This is one of those dishes that proves that sometimes less is more. With just a handful of fresh, high-quality ingredients, you can create a culinary masterpiece. Start by slicing your tomatoes and fresh mozzarella into rounds of equal thickness. You want to make sure the slices are about the same size so that each bite is a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Now, arrange the tomato and mozzarella slices on a plate, alternating between the two. This is where you can get a little artistic and create a beautiful presentation. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. Next, tuck fresh basil leaves between the tomato and mozzarella slices. Basil is the perfect herb for this salad, adding a sweet, peppery flavour that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Now, for the finishing touch. Drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic glaze. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. And for an extra burst of flavour, sprinkle with some freshly cracked black pepper and a pinch of dried oregano. It's the perfect appetizer, light lunch, or side dish for any occasion. This salad is all about simplicity and letting the ingredients speak for themselves. Last but not least, a hearty Mediterranean quinoa salad that's perfect for meal prep. This salad is packed with protein, fibre, and healthy fats, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal that will keep you feeling full and energized all day long. Start by cooking the quinoa according to package directions. While the quinoa is cooking, chop your veggies. We're talking cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, bell peppers, whatever you like. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork and spread it out on a baking sheet to cool. This will help it cool down faster and prevent it from sticking together. Now, it's time to assemble the salad. Add the cooled quinoa to a large bowl, followed by the chopped veggies. And don't be shy with the veggies. The more the merrier. Next, add in some crumbled feta cheese, chopped fresh herbs like parsley or mint, and a handful of chopped Kalamata olives. The feta adds a salty, tangy flavour, while the herbs and olives add freshness and depth. For the dressing, we're going to keep it simple with a classic lemon vinaigrette. Whisk together some extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Drizzle it over the salad and toss to combine. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. This salad is so versatile and can be customised to your liking. And there you have it, 5 easy Mediterranean recipes you can make at home. These dishes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are great for your health. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.